All right, this is the DURATECH SEA Sillcock key. So basically what it is, it's a four-sided wrench here, Sillcock. You usually use these to turn on and off water pipes or gas pipes, things like that. This does have a little retention ring here, right? You can take that off if you want to. They do have a taper down. So you can see here, you can see all the different sizes it has. We're looking at 11/32, 9/32, 5/16, and 1/4. These are very good to have like in your preparedness kits, actually. And also in your normal kits that you have. You know, it's got that square top on it, but these will be used to turn on like industrial water, water supplies. You know, if you get stuck somewhere, sometimes you see those water supplies sticking out of buildings, you need water. This is something you need. So this is the Sillcock. It does have some weight to it. It's covered, or it's got a coating on it, so it doesn't rust. And the coating is, I forget what the coating is called, but basically, yeah, that's what they look like. And they're really nice, DURATECH. You shouldn't have any issue with the quality. These should last literally forever.